Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Again, we're gonna grab this date over here, or this information, and we're just gonna use the date function to convert it over into, well, a date. Then we're gonna take that date, we're gonna break it apart. It's a continuation from tutorial 515. Here we just have, looks like a time format, 2020 or a date, whatever it is. And we want to convert this over. So we have 29/3, looks like March 15th, 2029. We're going to use the date function. Remember? We have date left, mid, right. It's just a follow-up from our previous tutorial. And if you remember, we started from the right and then used right, mid, left. Here, we're going to go left, mid, right. Why? Well, because our format is already structured. We're not adding 2000 to anything. Here's our coordination because of 2029. We're going to go 2029 left. We're going to start from the left. We want to keep 4 characters. 4. Screw that word extract. Doesn't mean diddly to me. B5, 4. We want to keep 4 characters. Mid. Starting left, count over 5. Including the number you want to keep, 2029 and 0. That's 5. We want to keep 03. So we start and keep number 5 and save 2 characters. That's 03. Month, right here, month. The right just reverses, and we want to keep everything starting right to left. And here we want to keep 2 characters. And that would be 15. That's it. If you are struggling with this text manipulation, just tear it apart. In other words, pull left out of this and go equals left B5, 4. And then play around with these numbers. Equals mid, and then just tear them apart until you can see it, can visualize how this is working. It is challenging at first. This is really screwy, all right, especially the right function. Just remember, we're starting right and going left and saving whatever characters we want. Over here, if we want to use the year function, we're going to go B5, and this is essentially what I just did. I tore these apart. See this left? I'm going to tear it apart, and there you go. We're going to keep the first 4 characters. Here, I just want mid, and I want to keep 2 characters. Now, if you extend this to 4, you're going to get 03/1. Why? Well, because you're starting at mid, and you have 5 characters. It'll be an extended number. The slashes won't be included. You're going to get like 0315. Show you 4. Put a 4 in there. The characters we want to keep, and so you're going to keep 0315. Got it? Mid starts at left. You're going to count. You're not going to keep 5. You're counting 5. Why? Here, we have a start number. The location of the first character to keep. Starting left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're keeping 2. And then on the right, we're doing the opposite of left. We're going to start right to left. And we're going to keep 2. The mid function can just throw you for a loop. Just remember your starting point and the characters you want to keep. Over on the right, if you need it, I strongly encourage you to read it, especially finding that this is challenging. Read it and keep reading it. Outside of that, this is a game of practice, practice, practice. And I know you're saying, I don't like text manipulation. It's not part of Excel. Well, it kind of is, and it's one of those things you don't use that often. And so it's always a stumbling block to remember where the starting point is. I know. Just keep working at it. It can take a while, but you'll master it in time. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for watching.